Hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this screen, then you know which video we're going to continue. Yes, today we're going to continue our application video part 2 for TH Ingolstadt for industrial engineering. Part 2 application video where we talk about how to fill in the information or mandatory questions that you need to fill in order to apply for VPD. In the previous video, we also did the application video part 1 where I talk about the requirement analysis in the TH Ingolstadt official website for our course, the Automotive Production Engineering and Artificial Intelligence Masters. Then we got to know that we need to also have VPD in order to apply in premise portal. So that's the reason in between we have added one more application part where I show you how to apply for VPD in general. Before that, if you're new to this channel and you don't know anything about this channel, in this channel we make two different kinds of videos. In first video we also make about how to get to know the colleges that are in Germany, what are the requirements that you need to know, what are the courses that you can study in Germany. After getting to know all requirements, what are the requirements fulfillments that you need to fulfill in order to get into admission, what are the documents that you need to have, what is the English language proficiency, and when to apply, where to apply. After having all this information, we also make application video where we talk about where we go through step-by-step procedure how to apply for particular designated degree that you want to apply. Then in the first part, we also did the registration for Uni-Assist, and I showed you masters for Ale Fasher is a one VPD that they issue for specifically for TH Ingolstadt, and you can use this master of Ale Fasher VPD for all courses in TH Ingolstadt for one particular semester or 1 year depending upon the validity, which I am not sure. Without any delay, we'll get started with today's general questions that you need to fill in and upload the documents before you submit the application for VPD. At first, it should be filled with educational data. In the educational data, you need to fill in your school 1 and school 2. So for school 1, you can fill in your 12th details, which will be done for 2 years or only 1 year, 12th if you want to give. Usually I like to give 11th and 12th, which is first PUC or second PUC. In Karnataka, we call it as pre-university college. In your states and countries, if they call it as 11 and 12, then please give in 11 and 12th. Then you have to give in 2 years when and where you studied, from when to when. So I studied from 2014 to 2016, and name of the institution that I studied is Marimalappa's Pre-University College, and country is India. Name of the certificate awarded was Pre-University College. That's the university degree that I did, and that's the university course that I did, and the school living certificate was awarded on 1st May 2016. So this is the information about my 12th standard. Then in the school 2, you can always give in the 10th details or secondary school living certificate SSLC details, because so that you will cover school 1 and school 2. So in school 2, I did it in 2013 to 2014, and the name of the location I did it is Marimalappa's High School, and I did it in India, Karnataka. Name of the certificate was secondary school living certificate, which is another word, it is called 10th for CBSE guys and other things. School living certificate was awarded on 1st May 2014. But this is the date that I mentioned is dummy date. But if you have to make sure that you give the correct date on your mask card, so that you don't give my dummy date, because I'm just showing you how to apply, not it is the exact date that you need to give. Okay, please give in your date, so don't forget. Then university entrance qualification. If you are a person after doing your 12th, in order to pursue your bachelor, if you have given any of the university entrance examination, then please click on yes and fill in it. But if you have not given any of the entrance qualification, or in your state you didn't had any entrance qualification, after finishing second PUC you can directly go into any of the college for engineering, then please select no. Or if you are ones who did based on management seats, then you can select no, and no need to mention you have taken any of the university entrance qualification. But if you have taken, then you can give in CET for Karnataka people, and for national level examination like NEET, JEE mains also, you can use that as university entrance qualification if you have yield and started your bachelor or did your bachelor's in NIT or IIT. And you have to give your university entrance examination when you have given. So this is the university entrance examination section. After having school certificate and PUC or 12th standard information that you have given, then we did our university entrance qualification. And why we did the university entrance qualification? In order to pursue our degree in any of the bachelor college. That's the reason we have to give now the university qualification that we have obtained that outside Germany. So we obtained or begun or completed the university degree outside Germany? Yes, which is our bachelor. That's the reason you have to select yes. Then in first university qualification, you have to fill in your 4 semester bachelor degree details which you have done. So name and country where you got or finished your degree is Vishweshwara Technological University, Karnataka, and here you have to always mention your university name, which is aggregated or accredited in ANABIN website for H plus university. If your university is H plus or minus or H minus, then please don't even apply. You won't get admission in any of the college if you have 10 CGPA also, because in order to get into German university you need to have H plus university accreditation, then only you can apply. Then you need to have done your 4 semester, 3 semester depending upon course. So if it is course mentioned that if you are a person who wants to you can apply in 3 semester degree, then you can upload. Otherwise you need to have at least 4 semester as a bachelor. Then location of study is India. Then subject which I did is electrical engineering, and type of degree qualification that I got awarded is Bachelor of Engineering. Have you successfully completed the degree? Yes, I have. So if you are a person who have not successfully completed, then you can also click on no and give your prognosis certificate. But for this particular college, for this particular course that we are applying, there should be mandatory finished degree and also have minimum 1 year of experience. So that's the reason it is no brainer. You need to select yes. Then secondary university qualification, who can use it? So as I told you in many videos, secondary university qualification can be used by people who have done bachelor as a second degree. First degree they did it their diploma after 10th. So in school, please select only 10th or SSLC and use the first university degree as your diploma and second university degree as your bachelor, so that people who have done diploma can put their diploma details in second university or first university, whichever hierarchy you want to put in. Then there will be another section, third university, which people can use this. People who have done their masters already in India and coming to Germany for second masters, then they can use this section in order to put their master degree information. Then other student colleges and other things you can select no, and no need to worry. And please provide the details about student college if you have done, but we have not done anything, so we will keep everything no. And have you begun any university degree in Germany? No, we have not also. Then you can clearly select everything and finish everything. Then you can click on save. Once you clicked on save, then this particular red non-answered mandatory question will turn into green. After that, information is given. Then we need to check if we have uploaded all documents in our Uni-Assist portal. So here, usually I told you every time, just please upload all documents. Only you have to change is your statement of purpose for specific college if you want to upload. Other than that, all other application or all other documents are same regardless, because you can, the Uni-Assist will just forward them. Only they will check if SOP is for different college, then they will send this SOP correctly for that particular course. If you not mention any of the college names specifically, then everything will be forwarded. So I always make that I always make this common, so that it can be used and I don't need to upload every time. That's the reason I take one time full care and upload all documents whichever I have, which will be module handbook, full-time experience, which will be my internship also, and APS document, passport, GRE, German A1, A2, B1, whichever you have, IELTS, bachelor's degree certificate, press transcript and letter of recommendation. SOP is the only thing that will change, and CV and my secondary school certificate, where all school living certificate will be present. So if you have all this put in one particular document section, then you don't need to worry of thinking that okay, I missed any of the document. So you will be having all documents. So after filling all this information and uploading all documents, then you are ready to submit your VPD application for TH Ingolstadt. It is a VPD application. So when you apply for this, it doesn't mean that you applied for the course that you are applying. Okay, so TH Ingolstadt is like this, where you upload or apply and pay 75 euros here. Then after 4 weeks or 6 weeks, you will get a document which is called VPD. You have to download it. Then in third part, I will show you how to apply in TH Ingolstadt website, which is premises, and you have to use this VPD, upload there. That's how it's a two-step procedure that you have to go through. Then you can click on choose payment option. You can use credit or online bank transfer, whichever you like. Then you can click on proceed to checkout and pay the application you want. Then after paying, your application will be submitted and you will get a VPD at the end of 4 to 6 weeks. After this, your VPD will be there. Then we will directly jump into premises website and I will show you how to apply there. Then you can click on online, apply online in the TH Ingolstadt website, and you can also click on premises, and this is the premises website where we have to upload for that particular course. So this particular application video of premises I will take care in third part of the application video for TH Ingolstadt. Then I will show you how to apply there. So hope you guys enjoyed it.